Your next car could be the 2019 Nissan Rogue. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Style, security, and efficiency blend beautifully in this Nissan Rogue, the handsome, family-friendly compact SUV that offers standard driver assist safety features and a smooth, responsive ride. Comfortable and capable, this sporty four-door hatchback brings confidence along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, remote engine start, heated mirrors, power liftgate, power driver seat, heated front seat. Enjoy the convenience and comfort this Rogue has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.